The 2007 Nissan Armada. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include cruise control, delay-off headlights, a rear window wiper, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, adjustable pedals, a roof rack, and much more. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.